Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. We're discussing the Idolmaster One For All for the PS3. That's right, today we're back for the RPCS3 emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory. And if you're new to the channel, basically what I do is I play the game on the default settings. The whole point is to simply show you that even on a lower end CPU, we can still get the games running somewhat decently. It actually runs quite well for most games, to be honest with you. But hey, we're gonna get that odd one every once in a while. Now this one is in Japanese, just like the Xenia one. I did a Xenia video on this as well. You can go check that out. Ran decently well as well. You know, it wasn't bad. We're just gonna get into. No, obviously I'm going to mute the audio of the game when they start singing because ain't nobody got time for that. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, let's get into it. We don't want to get hit with copyright over here, guys. We ain't getting hit with copyright. I don't know what's going on, but I'm scared. Oh, as I heard a word. So we just put it on real quick and see the game. It can be played though. I don't know. There's not much for me to talk about here. But hey, this runs at 60 FPS right out the jump. That's pretty awesome, to be honest with you. You don't even have to do much. It just runs. Hasinumi cool. Like if you have a powerful enough CPU, the game will run quite fine. And it's only using a little over 4 gigs of RAM. That's not bad. The GPU usage isn't that much either, but my CPU, as you can see, it is putting a bit strain on my CPU. That being said, the Idolmaster games are quite, you know, they run quite well. It's just that I can't understand them because I don't speak Japanese. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you three of the... I'll show you another song, and then we'll end the video there. But I'm just trying to show you that, hey, it runs on RPCS3. And it runs quite well if you have a decent enough CPU. This 47 is like over 7 years old, and it's running at 60 from the jump. First time testing, it's running here. I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the gameplay without the audio because we ain't getting hit with no copyright. Once again.